In this video, we'll do a quick review on the oxidizing properties of potassium dichromate. The first one, potassium dichromate in acidic medium acts as a very strong oxidizing agent, so it oxidizes iodide to iodine. So what are the products that we get from here? We get potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, a water molecule, and iodine. So these are the products that we get when potassium dichromate is made to react with potassium iodide in acidic medium. Okay, now next one. Here potassium dichromate acts as a very strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium, so it oxidizes this ferrous sulfate into ferric sulfate. So we have the products to be potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, water molecule, and ferric sulfate. Ferric sulfate. Here the oxidation state of iron is +2 and here it is +3. So did you see that there is an increase in the oxidation state? That means oxidation takes place. Now next one, we have this one. Here also it oxidizes sulfur to H2S to sulfur. So we have potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, a water molecule, and sulfur. Next one, it oxidizes sodium nitrite to sodium nitrate. We have potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, a water molecule, and sodium nitrate. Now have a look at these two. This is a primary alcohol, this is a secondary alcohol. So primary alcohol will be oxidized to an aldehyde, whereas a secondary alcohol will be oxidized to a ketone. So in this case we get an aldehyde, CH3CHO, which is an acetaldehyde. And a secondary alcohol is oxidized to a ketone, CH3C double bond O, CH3, acetone. And here an aldehyde is oxidized to acetic acid, acetaldehyde to acetic acid, acetic acid. Now have a look here. This would be different, not like potassium iodide where you get iodine. Here you will get different products. Here you will get potassium hydrogen sulfate, sodium hydrogen sulfate, and then you have your chromyl chloride, this one, chromyl chloride, and a water molecule. And here what happened when potassium dichromate is made to react with potassium hydroxide? There would be a loss of water molecule, and then you get a K2CrO4. The name of this one is potassium chromate. Whenever your potassium dichromate is an alkaline solution or is an alkaline medium, there is a loss of water molecule and you get this compound which is known as potassium chromate. This is a quick review on the oxidizing properties of potassium dichromate.